Want a beer? Here comes the aeroplane. Say when. Say when. Say when, motherfucker.
Fuck you, eh?
Yeah, you're welcome.
Say when. Okay guys, so an interesting scenario has presented itself to me today, and thought I'd tell you a bit about it. So a customer of mine this morning came to me with a problem where he's now no longer able to start the project that we had done a lot of work prepping for. So unfortunately, with things beyond his control, we're having to sell the car. So after telling some of the guys on ProAm-Garage about it, Raoul put his hand up and he goes, oh, why don't we do this with it? So at first I was like, oh no, I don't really have the space, but then I thought, oh, it's cheap enough, we've got the stuff to do it, yeah, why not? So long story short, I've got a tape measure that I'm going to grab in a second, and I've got the key, and we're going to go outside, we're going to have a look at the car, and I'm going to measure up to see whether or not the engine package that we've got will fit in it. So we're just making sure it can fit, you know, side to side without too much trouble. So yeah, I mean, blessing in disguise possibly, another headache for me, because that means another engine conversion on top of the several other engine conversions I have to do. And I still need to finish off the Mini, which sits patiently outside waiting for me. So moving forward, we're going to go outside now. Give me a few minutes and I'll tell you exactly what we're planning to do, and you can tell me how stupid you think we are. Hey Benny dog. Right. Alright, here she is. Okay, this is a BMW Ep1 two-door. So, what I'm going to do here, let's unlock it. Actually tight. Maybe the bonnet's on. Is the bonnet already open? Maybe. No. I think this one opens from the back, possibly. I can't remember. Too many cars. Right. Alright, oh, she stinks in here. She smells of... Oh. Okay, bonnet's open. Actually not too bad inside for a car this age. It's been neglected this long. Alright. Bonnet open. Yep. Okay. Alright. No circulars, remember that people? No circulars. That'll probably need to be replaced. Okay. Anyway, so strut tail measurement. Put you in there. Okay. What do we got? Oh, it's going to be so tight, I think. I could be completely wrong. What do we got? widest point is there roughly. Let's call that 740. 740-ish. 740 is its widest point. How long have we got? Let's call that 750. Let's call it 740 by 740. Easy. Okay. Now, next thing, the donor engine. Let's walk around here, eh? What's this we have here? It's a BMW. BMW. Funny backwards open bonnet again. There. Oh. And this is a BMW V12. How can I get that to lock? She doesn't want to lock. Okay. Okay. There's heaps of room. Oh, this is dangerous. It's actually dangerous. It will fit. It is miles. It will fit miles. We can. She's long. What we got from there to there? 710 long. So we'll have to get creative with the radiator. But hey, nothing like a challenge. E21 BMW, anyone? Yes. Alright, so just confirm that it's going to fit. Now let's make things happen. Okay, so that's pretty conclusive. We can fit it. I don't know about the height yet, but we know it will fit there sideways and long ways. And who cares if it sticks out the bonnet? That just means extra points, right? Yeah, so I guess I got to pull a V12 out of a BMW 7 Series. Yeah, it's going to be fun. And we can shoehorn it into a much smaller E31. Next thing we need to decide is whether we make it manual or keep it auto. I can't remember if the car is... I didn't even look at the pedals. Can't remember if it's auto or manual. Yeah. Fun times ahead, so keep watching us. We're probably going to get onto this fairly soon, I think, because I want my car park back. So I think maybe sometime in the next couple of weeks we'll rip into that, rip both motors out of the cars, drop the V12 into the E21, and make history.
Unlock it. John, leave it alone.
Hey.
Don't break it.
I'm just admiring it. How solid is it?
Should come.
Place your bets whether this intake manifold holds up or not.
We're out of the engine mount on this side.
Just shake the motor.
Sweet, it's free. I think it, yeah.
Going up.
Yeah. Touch back anyway, so don't worry.
Bit slower.
Yeah, you good. hang on.
Flywheel bolts are just.
She stops.
I mean, if you can yank it just half a mil forward, I can probably near the back.
It'll push it through. It'll push through. Don't worry.
You got slow.
It'll push through. Once we get past this front shroud, we'll be fine.
We last flex plate bolts clear.
I've just stopped it for now, just in case. Keep going.
Yeah.
Keep going. Down she goes.
No, stop that. Just shake it through. Here we go. Yep, we're good.
Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Worrying about these coils now.
Oh, the dizzy. Oh, hello.
Just on the dizzy now, so we can lean back. Would be great. If we can't.
And note, we're touching on the back.
Yeah.
Okay. So now we get to the point where the dizzy's at the steel shroud.
Oh, that's fine.
Heaps of room. It's got more room than the back does.
Won't
Go.
damage.
No, because once we get past this cowling, we'll be fine. Yep. Come down.
We're gonna have exhaust issues.
Can't have exhaust issues if we don't have an exhaust, mate.
Nah. If you use the guards.
Eyes.
Hey guys, and we're back. Tonight we have Raul and Dylan. He's in the car. Hey. And we're doing more work on the beamer, so Raul's pulling the loom out.
Trying to.
Trying to. He's already started. Dylan, he's in there pulling the dashboard out with his delicate tools. Is that what you call it?
Aye.
Delicate tools.
Delicate.
And we're in I'm guessing, what, a 40-degree sauna in the workshop? Yeah, good. Heaps good. So the plan for tonight is get the dash stripped out. I'll get my plasma cutter out and we can cut a big hole in the trans tunnel so that we can look at starting to fit the new transmission in. And we're gonna build it so that later on, if we decide to go manual, we can just drop it straight in. So we've got a few measurements and stuff to do on that. And then that should be about it for tonight, eh?
I mean, it depends how much long this is going to take me, because who puts wires in through there?
Because BMW.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Probably
Thanks,
have to
BMW.
take the intake manifold off to just get the
You
loom
probably, before you start getting too carried away, label all the important stuff.
out. I already know where everything is in this
Okay.
loom.
Okay.
Been through
Am I
this-
wiring it though?
No. I got it.
He just said he's not wiring. I'm not wiring it. He's wiring it.
I got this.
Is it going to run if you wire it?
No. But it'll be
Will it
wired.
catch on fire?
100%.
Will you use fuses?
What's a fuse?
Exactly. He's supposed to be a sparky. Anywho, so we're going to get into this. I might even help Dylan pull the dash out, and we're having drinks too, so that's always makes things go better. Cool. Anyway, catch you soon. Bye.
There you go, buddy.
There it is. And we're out. We need the old tunnel. Look at that bitch ass tunnel.